Welcome once again to the Barcelona Open Banc Sabadell of 2019.
Oh, it's great tennis. Oh, it's an incredible point. Oh my!
Oh, you're kidding me.
Brilliant tennis from Jarry. What a win for Nicholas Jarry.
Oh, that is remarkable from Nadal.
He can do no wrong. Garin knocks out the 9th seed. Oh, wow. And that's a fine performance from Dominic Thiem.
But he can't miss Nishikori. And the number 4 seed looked ominously good today. Rafael Nadal reaches the quarter-final stage as we wave goodbye to one of the greats of the game. It's a brilliant birthday in Barcelona for Jan-Lennard Struff.
Quarter-finals day at the Barcelona Open Banc Sabadell.
Oh, no way. Absolutely incredible from Rafael Nadal.
Oh, he's made it. Bend it like Thiem. He is looking very good.
Oh, no way. It's another semi-final spot in Barcelona for Nishikori.
On. Welcome to semi-finals day in Barcelona. That is just massive. What a win for Daniel Medvedev. Oh, it's magnificent. Dominic Thiem takes down the king of clay. What a final we have for you. Stunning drop shot. And brilliant. Stunning tennis once again from Dominic Thiem. Thiem absolutely everywhere. Dominic Thiem lives the dream in Barcelona.